Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Ava Vig reporting from the IADC HSENT Conference and Exhibition in Houston. I'm here with Sean Unruh, Product Line Manager at Pason Systems, who's going to tell us about how modern machine learning techniques can increase safety on the rig. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So modern rigs use electronic systems to alert crews to potentially hazardous events. So why are crews still missing the signs of kicks and losses?
Often we see it's because of alarm fatigue. So the crew on a drilling rig is presented with a lot of alarms throughout their shift. And often these alarms don't signify real events. By the time a real event has occurred, there's been so many alarms generated that the alarm due to the real event is just ignored.
How can modern machine learning techniques be used to reduce false alarms and increase safety on the rig?
So modern machine learning algorithms run on computers, and computers can be turned on and left on. And they're also smart. They can learn what is normal for a drilling rig and how the mud system reacts to events like pumps off and pumps on. It can learn what the normal fluctuations are in the mud system, and so it won't generate alarms based on those normal operations. It's only when something unexpected happens it will ring an alarm. So the crew isn't presented with a bunch of false alarms. The crew only gets an alarm when there's real events, and so they won't ignore it.
So what results have you seen from using this machine learning technique?
So we see, number one, a dramatic reduction in false alarms. And as a side benefit to that, we see crews that pay a lot more attention to alarms when they ring. When events really do occur, they take the corrective action that is required, and then we see safety is increased dramatically on the rig.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.